Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel Unique Learning and this is Amna Irfan. So viewers, this is last reading test number 3 History of Old Cinemas. Viewers, मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूँगी कि आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि आज आपकी रीडिंग स्किल जो है वो अच्छी तरह से कंप्लीट हो गई है और काइंडली आप लोग प्रीवियस वीडियोस को अच्छी तरह से गो थ्रू कर लीजिएगा. आई होप कि यू हैव टू बी नो कि हाउ टू कंडक्ट अ टेस्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्राइटेरिया ऑफ रीडिंग. So be ready for the last reading test for the exercises you have to do and I hope कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा enjoy करेंगे ये वीडियो.
Paragraph number 1. The history of cinemas in its first 30 years is one of the major and to this day unparalleled expansion and growth. Beginning as something unusual in a handful of big cities, New York, London, Paris, Berlin, the new medium quickly found its way across the world, attracting larger and larger audience where it was shown and replacing other forms of entertainment as it did so. As audience grew, so did the places where films were shown, finishing up with the great picture palaces of the 1920s. Paragraph number 2. In the end, it was the United States that was to become and remain the largest single market for films by protecting their own market and pursuing a vigorous export policy. The Americans achieved a dominant position on the world market by the start of the First World War. The center of filmmaking had moved westwards to Hollywood, and it was filmed from these new Hollywood studios that flooded onto the world films markets in the years after First World War and have done so ever since. Faced with total Hollywood dominations, few film industries prove competitive. Paragraph number 3. The other countries whose cinemas changed dramatically are Britain, which had an interesting but undistinguished history in the silent period, Italy, which had a brief moment of international fame. Just before the war, the Scandinavian countries, particularly Denmark, which played a role in the development of silent cinema, quite out of proportion to their small population, and Japan, where cinema developed based primarily on traditional theatrical, to a lesser extent other art forms, only gradually adapted to a Western influence. So viewers, this is exercise number 1. The question is, which 3 possible reasons for American dominance of the film industries are given in the text? A. Plenty of capital to purchase what it did not have. B. Making films dealing with serious issues. C. Being first to produce a feature film. D. Well-written narratives. E. The effect of First World War. F. Excellent special effects. You have to do it carefully.
So here is exercise number 2. Read carefully the questions and be ready to write your answers in your answer sheets. The question is, answer the questions below no more than 3 words from the passage for each answer. Number 1. Which countries attract audiences? Number 2. Which center of filmmaking America? Number 3. Which countries are involved in silent period? So, very carefully write your answers in your answer sheets. So here is the last exercise. Question is, match each statement with the correct country. Number 1, it was responsible for creating stars. Number 2, it had a great influence on silent movies despite its size. Number 3, cinema has changed dramatically in silent period. Number 4, it made movies based more on culture than outside influences. Here are the options: France, Britain, Japan, USA, Denmark, China, Sweden, Germany, Soviet Union, Italy. You have to write the correct name of the country in front of the statements. So viewers, दिस इज़ द लास्ट रीडिंग टेस्ट। उम्मीद है कि आपने बहुत इन्जॉय किया होगा और आप अच्छी तरह से रीडिंग स्किल में एक्सपर्ट हो गए होंगे। नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़। आप लोग आंसर्स दे सकते हैं और अपनी आंसर शीट से मैच कर सकते हैं।
Thanks for watching video.